From the book of Car, this is the story of Pontiac G8 and the BMW 5 Series and the knockdown, drag-out brawl between the two. Oh, ha-ha, Pontiac and the BMW? Pontiac's got no chance, silly storyteller, right? Wrong. Sure, the BMW 550i costs a lot more, but at 5.3 seconds, the G8 GT is faster 0 to 60 and has more power. But cry not for the BMW, because this guy and his 5 Series and shiny girlfriend and accessorized chihuahua cries not for you. Not a single tear, Spartacus. But inside, the BMW is like a spacious penthouse suite. Oh wait, oh great, the G8 has more legroom, shoulder room, and overall passenger room. Bam! 3 shots to the grill of our suddenly second fiddle BMW. Does this G8 have no respect for a staid premium automobile? Does it not also carry Grey Poupon? Sure, it's trimmed in fine leather, but it moves too fast for any mustard exchange, with a lower profile and a wider stance than the BMW. There's a new sheriff in town, and he's sporting a red dart, a fat exhaust, and he starts under 30 grand. 8 versus 5, Pontiac versus BMW. Haha, right? Wrong. Pontiac G8.